today, Robin? What are we doing today, Robin?
We'll make a balloon and go to space.
Yay! So we're gonna make a homemade balloon and fly it all the way to space.
Yes.
Yeah! Let's get all our stuff ready.
Okay.
Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, Robin.
Yeah.
And now our balloon is all nice and ready and inflated.
Yeah.
So are you ready to go outside and send it to space?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
fill my water.
Yeah.
Come on.
So please do not try this without adult supervision. This can be really dangerous, especially for children. So, are we ready, Robin?
Yeah.
Let's go!
Okay.
Okay, Robin, we've got our balloon ready. Are we ready to release it to space?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Also,
So we've made this little rocket. Robin chose this rocket, and we put a note. And if someone find this balloon, please comment on his channel. We really want to know where it lands.
yes, it's color blue and red.
Yeah, it's color.
Fire.
Yeah. All right. Are you ready to fly the balloon up? Ready? Go, Robin! Woohoo! Yay! Here we go. Say bye, balloon.